With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Talk about this question. In this question, we are asked to list 5 things that you have done over the last 1 week to A, conserve the natural resources, and B, to increase the pressure on our natural resources. So we talk about the first part, right? So the 5 things that a person can do to conserve the natural resources. First is that they can travel, or they can take the public transport, right? They can take the public transport such as buses that in which the CNG is incorporated, right? So as to cut down the use of the petrol and diesel. Also, we can walk for shorter distance, right? If someone has to travel for shorter distance, they can also cover it by walking, right? Apart from that, one can recycle, right? One can follow 3 R's, that is recycle, reduce, and reuse the things that they are using. If someone has brought a cold drink, so the cold drink comes in the plastic bottle, so that plastic bottle can be further used as as the water bottle, right? Also, we can segregate the waste, right? We can segregate the waste and we can throw them in separate dustbins, right? In separate dustbins, right? Apart from this, the other thing a person can do is the use of electricity and water judiciously, right? Use of electricity and water judiciously, or we can say smartly, right, is one way. Apart from this, we can switch to alternative sources of energy, right? Alternative sources of energy for the generation of electricity, right? For the generation of electricity, right? So these are some of the ways that one can do to conserve the natural resources. Now we'll talk about the next part of the question, that is to increase the pressure on our natural resources. So to increase the pressure on our natural resources, one can use the non-renewable, right? Non-renewable resources of energy, right? So the resources which can't be renewed once they are used, or it will take so many years for the renewal, right? So if one is using that, right, if one is using those resources, that means the person is surely increasing or putting up the pressure on the natural resources, right? The other way the person can put pressure on the natural resources is by wasting water, right? Is by wasting water. Apart from that, by wasting electricity, right? By wasting electricity, by using the private transport, right? Apart from this, by using the non-biodegradable substance such as plastic, right? By not segregating the waste, right? And also by using the escalators, right? Escalators or the lifts, if the person even have to go only the 1 floor up, still the person is using escalators or the lift, then the person is actually wasting the energy or the electricity. So these are some of the ways in which a person is increasing the pressure on the natural resources, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.